Expert tips to ramp up your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to network with other businesses in a way that you both benefit. Your website can have an advertisement or special offer that is good at another website. You benefit from commission and also if you choose to have an ad of your own at that person's website. This video can help you to get the most from affiliate marketing. Pay attention to the cookie duration of the parent site of your affiliate marketing program. A site visitor's cookies tell the parent company that you sent them that traffic and allows you to receive that commission. If the cookies expire after a very short period of time, the parent company is likely trying to cheat you out of valuable commission dollars. Offer visitors to your website exclusive content or services if they make a purchase from the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. Do not restrict vital information this way, but make sure that visitors who do buy get something of definite value out of your website's bonus content. This will encourage both purchases from your affiliate and repeat visits to your website. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. If you require quick access to your revenues, you should consider an affiliate partner that offers a variety of payment options. There are certain companies that pay you via PayPal, while there are other companies who send you a check in the mail. For affiliate marketers dealing with emails, it is important that you maintain a publishing schedule for your mails. You will need to do this for autoresponders and for broadcast messages. Also be sure to keep track of your clicks, earnings per mail, and other vital information to tell you if your campaign is working. If you're an affiliate marketer who operates a blog, you definitely want to keep tabs on which blog posts are more popular and which aren't receiving any feedback. You don't want to delete unpopular blog posts, but you will want to stick with the working themes and add more content that your visitors appreciate. As it was presented at the beginning of this video, affiliate marketing is a spectacular way to work with another business in a way that you both benefit. By following the advice in the video, you can make money. Student loan.